Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are about to get into this nail art. This channel is a learning channel. I'm not going to act like I know everything. I hope y'all don't act like y'all know everything and everything will be okay. Even though I am skilled in certain areas with doing nails, I feel like it's always room to grow. It's always room to learn new things. It's always room to learn new tricks. So I'm just here to teach y'all the tricks that I have learned throughout the way of doing this and the mistakes that I have made. So, since all that is said, starting off today, I am going to be drawing a Smurf. I have did some characters, but the Smurfs I never did. So, I was really on edge when I was like, all right, let's go ahead and do this, even though I'm scared. If this is your first time getting into nail art or drawing any type of characters, you want to look at an inspo pic. You don't want to go off the top of your head. You want to be able to look at the features on the characters, the colors, all that. This is the inspo pic I had to go based off of Smurfette. So with doing her skin, I wanted to start off with the skin because I noticed that like covered majority of the picture basically. When you get into nail art, you do not, I repeat, you do not need to buy all those colors when you can just mix them yourself and get that exact same color. And on this channel, I am definitely going to teach y'all that how to mix the colors to get certain colors. Starting off with this blue, I noticed that the blues have certain undertones. That's also what you want to pay attention to. You want to pay attention to the undertones of the colors. So the two colors that I mixed together was this dark blue that I have and this white. And you see I get this color right here. Now I look back at the picture and I noticed that she's a little more teal than the blue that I have. The blue that I have is like a vibrant blue, but she's more teal. So therefore, to get that more teal color, I'm going to add green. And when you start off doing nail art, the main colors that I would say that you need to buy is your primary colors, your secondary colors, white, black, and brown. I say brown because brown, you don't want to have to mix all of those colors now to get a true brown. Just buy the brown. With mixing these colors, you're not going to get the exact color the first time. So yes, you're going to be going through the colors, dibbling, dabbling, like, oh, let me lighten it up, let me darken it back up. And that's the good thing with these colors. You're not subjected just to that one single color. For inksting, if you want it lighter, of course, you know to add white. If you want it darker, you know, of course, to add that darker color back. If you want it to have more of a gray tone to it, you add a little black. If you want it to be warmer, you're going to add orange. If you want it more teal, you're going to add green. The list can go on, but on this channel, I'm definitely going to take y'all through and show y'all all the colors. And definitely let me know in the comments below if y'all have any questions about any colors that you need help mixing or any colors you would like to see me mix. At this point is when I noticed that the blue is not looking like Smurfette. So I got up and I got a little green. I didn't want to add too much because I didn't want it to be turquoise. I just wanted it to be a little more tealer now. Now I'm starting off by doing her hair. Now her hair is pretty simple. It's just like this light yellow. So I'm going to just take this yellow that I have and mix some white in there because y'all, I thought it was yellow. It's like more like gold. So I have to lighten it up because y'all see how dark that is? Like, ew. As I'm mixing these colors, I can tell y'all about this time when I was doing everything. And I know sometimes when you first start off doing nails, you think you can do everything. And what I mean by that is, okay, let's say when I first started, I was doing nail art, I was doing diamonds, I was doing acrylic designs. So I ran across this lady TikTok and she was like, you have to figure out like basically like your niche. When I tell y'all, when I saw that, I was like, girl, anyways, what are you talking about? I could do it all. And then the more and more I started doing nails, I noticed what I like the most, and that was nail art. So therefore, nail art became my niche. So if you see what you gravitate more and you don't know your niche, that is your niche, what you gravitate more towards. Now, I'm not saying that's the only thing you have to do when you do nails. I still do diamonds here and there. I still do ombres with acrylic, but I'm telling you now, the nails are going to have some type of nail art on them. Now, with doing any type of nail art, you want the polish to be pigmented. You don't want no old pig type polish. You want it to show. You want it to look like color is there now. So I prefer either D&D or Beetles. Now, this black isn't from D&D or Beetles. I got it off of Amazon. The brand is called Creations. Yeah, Creations. I had ended up seeing this black on TikTok, and y'all, I was intrigued because this black was like black, and you only need one coat with this black. If I don't say anything, make sure you get you a good white and you get you a good black. Is the main color when you're doing characters and you're drawing their features. That's going to be the main color that's going to stand out on their face. Now that it has come to the end of this portion of the video, because there will be a second part where now I actually begin into detail about drawing Smurfette. So this part was just for me to break down the actual color theory part, and so y'all can know what colors do you mix and the different undertones between the colors. And lastly, if you want to practice on something, because I had trouble with this when I first started doing nails. I was like, I don't have anybody to practice on. Nobody wants to do this. What am I supposed to do? Make you a practice hand. Make you a little fake nail and get the practice in. Don't let none of that stop you from progressing in your journey. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below if y'all have any questions, and follow my socials down below. Bye.